Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we discuss Roman medicine, the first part. The era is from 750 to 510 BC. Have you ever wondered how medicine evolved in ancient Rome? How did the Romans treat illnesses, perform surgeries, and even rely on gods for healing? So, in today's video, we uncover the fascinating world of Roman medicine. They acquired the knowledge, as you see in the picture, from the wounds of warriors and faith on the Roman gods. Romans borrowed their medicine knowledge from the Greeks. Sanitation was priority. Baths, sewers, and hospitals were introduced. Magic and faith in gods played a significant role in healing. They believed on these gods. Jupiter, God controlled rain, thunder, and lightning. Isis, God revered as the universal mother. Mars, god of war, influencing battlefield and medicine. Apollo, the god, punisher and carrier of bow and arrow. Venus, goddess of beauty, linked to wellness and health. Lucina, goddess of childbirth, connected to maternal care. These pictures on internet of Roman gods and Apollo god. The important key figure, the Julius Caesar, the king was a dictator and transformed Roman Republic to Roman Empire. This king is believed to give the world life-saving operation both for mother and child, the Caesarean section. Thus, medical history remembers this king for Caesarean section. In those days, barbarians were increasing and Romans were decreasing. So he gave the directive, all mothers who were dying in childbirth must be opened up immediately in the hope of rescuing the baby. So this is a picture of Caesarean section in ancient Rome. Roman medicine is ancient and influenced by Greek medicine, and they had knowledge from Hippocratic corpus. The treatment included diet regimen and various surgical procedures. Ancient Romans called doctors as medicus. They had outstanding Roman doctors. So these surgical instruments are found as evidence of their surgical practices which were important for clearing of the wounds of the warriors. So the surgical instruments were used for especially during the battlefield for treating the soldiers. The second picture of the famous sports stadium of Rome, the Colosseum. Here the Colosseum was just not only for entertainment, but it was a place of brutal combat, as The gladiators were the warriors of lost army in the battle. They fought with the wild animals, but sadly people enjoyed that fierce fight. The advancing knowledge of wound care and surgery was acquired from these fights of gladiators with the animals or other fierce warriors. The important key figures of Roman medicine are Celsus, Soranus, Asclepiades, Dioscorides, and Galen. Their contributions lasted for hundreds of years in the medical world. Roman medicine laid the foundation of many modern practices. Though influenced by Greek medicine, Romans developed their own systems. Understanding ancient medicine gives us the insight into historical healthcare advancements. The fall of Roman Empire was due to mainly 2 to 3 important points like attacks from outsiders, invasion by barbarians, the army was weakened, citizens were apathetic, and civil wars were constant who had no leadership. Thus, in the next part of the Roman medicine, we will see the contributors of all these key figures like Celsus, Soranus, Asclepiades, and Dioscorides, and the most important figure, Galen, whose teaching lasted for 1,000 years in the medical field. Thus, Roman medicine laid the foundation for many medical practices, and this was about the introduction of the Roman medicine of ancient times in this first part. Thank you.